Thank you for giving you this time to give something brief about our group. Acme is a group of companies based at Ahmedabad. We have got one facility which is based at Jarmai adjacent to Chandigarh, which is for oral tablets, capsules, and oral dry powders. And we have got one more dedicated facility in Ahmedabad, which is dedicated facility for ORS particularly. And we have got many of the leading companies to whom we are supplying the finished formulation. Zydus group of companies, Cipla is there, Vocard is there, Intas is there, Aris is there, Oaknet is there, and so much. Vasu Organic from Ahmedabad, from this Hyderabad is there, Biological Ivan is there. So there are a lot of companies to whom we are supplying the finished formulation. We are also exporting to many of this African countries and Philippines, etc. And we have also one our marketing group in Ahmedabad, which we are our main head office is situated in Ahmedabad. We are in this pharma field for the last 38 years. And our CEO is Mr. D.K. Patel. Our leading brands are stevia, we are manufacturing, Equal, we are manufacturing, Sugar Bite. These are some leading brands we are manufacturing in sweeteners also. Thank you very much.